Joshua 1 verse 9, Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7, For the Spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love and self-discipline. Hebrews 10 verses 38 to 39, But my righteous one will live by faith. And I take no pleasure in the one who shrinks back. But we are not of those who shrink back and are destroyed, but of those who believe and are saved. Isaiah 41 verse 13, For I am the Lord your God who takes hold of your right hand and says to you, Do not fear, I will help you. Psalm 27 verse 1, The Lord is my light and my salvation, whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life, of whom shall I be afraid? Romans 8 verse 31, What, then, shall we say in response to these things? If God is for us, who can be against us? Ephesians 6 verse 10, Finally, be strong in the Lord and in his mighty power. Deuteronomy 31 verse 6, Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Psalm 56 verse 3, When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. Matthew 14 verse 27, But Jesus immediately said to them, Take courage. It is I, don't be afraid. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.